Field Artillery Philippine Army, and the Director of the 203rd Nueva Vizcaya Community Defense Center.
Having witnessed the remarkable grace of our ambassadors and ambassadresses, we have reached the pinnacle of this afternoon's elegance. It is time to present the core of our royal court, the Royal Highnesses and His Majesty King. Embodying the spirit of leadership and poise, they stand as the crowning glory of our 53rd founding anniversary.
Welcoming with a spirit of grace and heart of gold, this young lady defines elegance and charm. Let us welcome Angel May P. Davina, Her Royal Highness Court Princess. Standing with the stunning pride of 10 marbles, under the guidance of Jennifer Estrada, she is the beloved daughter, Mrs. Cindy Lago. Escorting her with elegance and honor is Joshua Atlan.
And now we welcome